Okay, with Arin, we are talk about your favorite food. But if we talk about food, it's itu aja. Yes, just it. And now we are go to what? Pamingkis. Yeah. I don't know what the meaning. If you look over there, it's rice uduk, guys. Rice uduk. Okay. What? Apalagi Rin? What? What more again? You wanna talk about what? What? Oh, yes. We're so. Don't forget, guys. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is kan in here many for what? Banyak the trees kayak alam gitu loh. Yes. Begini gitu. Yes. The feel. Do you like the feel? Where are you from?
East Java.
East Java? Oh yeah. In? What?
Jombang.
Jombang. It's so jauh apa? Far, guys. So far. Jombang. Arin from Jombang, guys. And I original from here. So when what I born in here and big in here. So yes, original here. And what about your school?